We just arrived at Mesa Verde RV Park in Wolfforth, Texas, which is right near Lubbock, Texas. I want to show you around. Mesa Verde RV Park has over 60 RV sites. There are a lot of pull-through sites like the one we have, and then along the edges are the back-end sites, and I think those are probably more for the longer-term stay. They have the pull-throughs for people who stay maybe one night or a week or two like we are. Let's go inside and check out the office and the gift shop. RV Park does have a pool. This RV park actually has 2 laundry rooms. This one is closer to the office. There are 3 washing machines, 3 dryers. There are no koi machines in this laundry room or the one on the other side of the park, but the office will give you change. There's also a small fitness room. Let's check it out.
Hey guys.
What you working on?
I'm working on my fitness. I want to stay sexy for my wife.
So this is another section of the RV park, and I can't really tell. I don't think one section is necessarily better than the other. There's actually really no shade here at all. It's all just gravel sites. This is actually the second time that we've stayed at Mesa Verde RV Park. The first time was about 2 years ago, which was actually before we started making YouTube videos. So I wanted to show you the park this time. Last time we stayed, we were in this section, and we were in the site all the way at the very end. Sorry guys, it is very windy today, and I'm really sorry if you have trouble hearing me. Here's the second laundry room I mentioned. This one has 4 washing machines and 4 dryers, and a nice big table to fold your clothes. They also have a book exchange. This RV park also offers horseshoes, and the horseshoes are just on the fence behind me, so you can just come and play.
Way to go, Debbie!
So this RV park has 3 areas for you to walk your pet. This is one of them. This is one dog park. This is the 3rd area where people can let their pets roam without being on a leash. I want to show you how much room we have at our site. It's a little windy today. We have so much room at our site. We can park the car right next to the RV. Let's check out the hookup. We are in site 45. Our hookups are very conveniently located. There's a lot of space. Right now we have a lot of space because we don't have any neighbors on this side. But even if we did have neighbors, we would have a lot of space to walk around and just enjoy ourselves at our campsite.
Well, that was our visit at Mesa Verde.
We just want to thank you for watching. It's not necessarily a commercial for Mesa Verde RV Park. It might seem like that. But we just wanted to showcase that when we were there visiting in May of 2022, we were visiting family, but we had not shown you Mesa Verde RV Park yet, so we just wanted to show you where we stayed.
And to be honest, recording campgrounds is easy for us. We're still trying to work on our video logging of our adventures and travels.
We actually got inspiration from the channel for Jimmy and Natalie, and we were kind of playing with some of the tweaks that they had mentioned to us. So you might not be able to tell, but we had fun trying to
practice some new styles.
Yes, exactly.
All right. Well, that's it. Later.
Bye.
Bye.